Hey guys, so let's talk about signal groups. So I recently started a Skool community, and one of the biggest questions I'm asked is this a signal group, and will I be able to get signals on when to enter and exit my trades? Let me first say this. I am not a heavy supporter of signal groups because one of the things that I believe about signal groups is that it creates a level of dependency in traders or up and coming traders who don't really want to know how to learn. They just want signal on when to enter and exit their trades. And a lot of them may not actually know what they're doing. They're just kind of copy and pasting. Here's my belief on that. Dependency kills progress. You cannot progress as a trader if you are solely depending on signals for when to enter, when to exit, when levels are hit. Because let's just say that signal group shuts down. Let's say that individual doesn't post for the day. I have been in signal groups before, and there were times where I've seen that people are getting extremely frustrated that someone wasn't posting their signals, they wasn't posting fast enough, they were getting into those signals too late, and some of these were paid signal groups. If you are learning to trade and you decide to join a signal group, that's fine because you're actually learning to do it, and you can see these signals and actually take it to the charts and do your own due diligence. Some people don't know how to do this and they're not doing it. They're just copying and pasting what they're seeing in these groups. And personally, I just feel like if you want to grow as a trader, you cannot solely rely on another trader to tell you what to do, because you're going to be stuck, you're going to be leaving money on the table, and you're just sitting there waiting for directions on what trades to get into instead of fishing for them on your own. And if you're solely dependent on these signals, you're likely not learning. But there's absolutely nothing against them. I just don't believe in creating one. My particular trading community is not a signal group. I post trade plans with detailed levels for you to be able to watch, and pretty much giving you the reasons why I'm posting these levels or watching these levels, so that you're actually able to take what I posted, you're able to look at the visual chart that I've posted and do your own due diligence on the chart and make your decisions from there alongside other educational content, and not just levels for you to just be able to jump into, or giving you that signal that it just hit support or it hit a heavy supply zone or demand buy zone, whatever. It's educational content over signals, and it's something for you to be able to take, learn, implement, and to execute on your own. So if you are in a group, or if I don't post a trade plan, you still have some sort of knowledge of when to go to those charts, how to read them, and how to make your decisions from there. So signal groups are fine if you are a knowledgeable trader and you're comfortable with what you're getting from these people, because you know that you can still look at those charts and either debunk what they post or confirm what they posted and execute a trade from that signal. That's solely up to you. So take what you will from that information. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one.